me, Marvy, with another super exciting video! Wow! Let's watch.
Mooga, mooga, mooga.
Loops. Mooga loops. Hello, Mooga.
Oh.
You know what to do, Mooga. Hey, Mooga, press it. Ooh, a pencil. Are you going to draw, Mooga? Oh, it looks like you drew a circle. It looks like you drew the sun or a donut. Oh, a ball. Fun. Draw more, Mooga. What's next? It looks like you drew a triangle. You drew a tree, a slice of pizza. Yay, a cool treat. It looks like you drew a llamas. You drew a fish or a kite? Whoa! A rocket! Your cousin is here to give you a ride. See you next time.
Wasn't that video awesome? I wish we could watch it again. Oh, wait, we can. Let's rewind it and watch it one more time, Greenie Beanies.